Good afternoon, automotive fanatics. It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys with yet another rim case review and installation. Those of you that have followed my channel know that I've done a few rim protectors as well as case covers that you put on the rims to protect it from potential curb rashes. I recently received some protectors from EVOOOR and I have done a few reviews for them. These are going to be the 20-inch Uberturbine covers that are going to be available in a carbon gray. Here is the rim edge protector itself. These are designed as a one piece so you don't have to snap multiple things together. All you really do is just snap these into place on the rims. They're designed to be very secure. You do not need double-sided tape or anything at all. They will not fly off at all. So the installation is relatively easy. I'm going to go ahead and dive right in, show you guys how to install these rim edge protectors. For this particular model with the 20-inch Uberturbine wheels, you guys might be able to see some curb rashes here. This is going to be a thick enough or wide enough cover that it will cover this. If you compare the color, and I know it's going to be hard on video, but it is very close. For the installation, you've got the valve stem up here. There is a cutout for the valve stem. I would recommend that you guys start from the valve stem because it is very tight. So what you do, there's a little lip that catches on the inside. You'll put it there and you're going to essentially walk your way around. Clip it, clip it. And another recommendation, you do not want to do the bottoms last because you've got no leverage. So what I'm doing is I'm leaving these. I might just pop this one off to have the very top, but again, we'll go ahead and clip it. And that is it. Again, start from the valve stem, work your way around. Do not do these last. And as you can tell, I'm pulling these off. They are not coming off at all. It is very secure. The way that you're going to remove them, you start from the very inside. You're going to unclip it and then just work your way around if you need to ever remove this. Here's going to be your post rim cover here. If you see, we had that big old rash right here. It's completely covered and hidden behind that edge protector there. Did you guys catch that installation? It was that quick. It literally took me, with filming, 15 minutes to install these edge protectors on the Model 3 Performance. What I really like about these covers, it's a one-piece design. The color matching from EVOOOR, it's quite good. It's not so obvious like some other ones, and the fitment for at least this set here was excellent. They clipped right in, no issues at all. What I would recommend that you do afterwards is make sure you go around each rim, kind of pull on it or give it a tug, make sure that they are properly clipped in and you are pretty much good to go. If you are interested in purchasing a set from EVOOOR, I will go ahead and provide a link below in the description with my discount code. I do want to go ahead and thank you for stopping by, checking out this very quick rim protector or edge protector for the Tesla Model Performance. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel, give me a 2 thumbs up, and like the video. Until the very next time, my automotive fanatic family, this is Peter, your automotive fanatic, signing off.